Hi Seekers! So this week we are going to continue to do work step by step. So from this week we are going to learn how to write letters. So we write 4 letters a day until we learn how to write all the letters. But we're only going to learn how to write uppercase letters first. So today we're going to learn how to write A, B, C, and D. Okay? I know some of you may already know how to do it, and that's great, but we're gonna practice again together, okay? So the first one is letter A. Remember when we do step by step, the first thing is we make a dot first. We start from the dot. So the first step for letter A is you make a line, like sideways a little bit. First, step 1. And the step 2 is start from the dot and make another line on the other side. Step 2. Alright, step 3 is make a little line in the middle. Step 3, letter A. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3. Good job. Now let's do letter B. Remember, make a dot first. Alright, for letter B, we're going to make a straight line going down from the dot. Step 1. Alright, for letter B, step 2 is to make a curly line, a curve. So we're going to start from this dot again. So go up a little bit and go down, like you make half circle. Okay, that's step 2. Alright, after you finish making the half circle, can you write a dot in the end of the half circle? Alright, so or step 3 is going to start from this dot. We're gonna go make a line, go in, make another half circle. Step 3. Alright, so let's do letter B again. Step 1, step 2, step 3. Good job, guys. Now we're going to do letter C. Letter C is really easy. It only has 1 step. It looks like how you make half circle. So we're going to make a dot first. A dot. Alright, we're going to start from the dot. Start from this side, okay? The right side, yes. We're going to draw from the right side, this side. So start from the dot. Go to the right, make half circle, and stop. Good job. Let's do it again. 1 step. Just 1 step. Good job, Seekers. Now we're going to do letter D. So remember, make a dot first. Alright. In order to make letter D, it looks like letter B. So from the dot, make a straight line going down. Step 1. Okay? Alright, step 2 is we're going to make a curve, like a curly line, like a half circle, just like letter B. We're going to start from this dot. But in order to, like in letter B, we have 2 half circles, but in letter D, we only have 1 half circle. So we're going to start from this dot and make a big half circle, go all the way to the bottom. Letter D, step 2. Alright, let's do it again. 1, 2. Good job, Seekers. Can you guys practice how to write letters at home? And in your packages, you should have a letter tracing sheet so you can trace each letter at home. Alright, thank you for writing letters with me. Tomorrow we're going to learn how to write 4 new letters, okay? Alright, bye guys. guys. Thank you for your support.